Tutorial for starting a YouTube channel. Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to start a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps involved in creating a YouTube channel, from setting up your account to uploading your first video. Step 1. Create a YouTube account. The first step is to create a YouTube account. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign into YouTube. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Choose a channel name and profile picture. Once you've created your account, you'll need to choose a channel name and profile picture. Your channel name should be something that people will remember and be able to find easily. Your profile picture should be something that represents your channel and your personality. Step 3. Customize your channel. Once you've chosen your channel name and profile picture, you can customize your channel further. You can add a banner image, a description of your channel, and links to your social media profiles. Step 4. Start creating videos. Now it's time to start creating videos. The best way to figure out what kind of videos to create is to think about what you're passionate about and what you know a lot about. Once you know what you want to make videos about, you can start brainstorming ideas and filming your videos. Step 5. Publish your videos. Once you've filmed your videos, you can publish them to your YouTube channel. When you publish a video, you can choose to make it public, private, or unlisted. Public videos will be visible to everyone, private videos will only be visible to you, and unlisted videos will be visible to anyone with a link. Step 6. Promote your channel. Once you've published your videos, you need to promote your channel so that people can find it. You can promote your channel by sharing your videos on social media, submitting them to video sharing websites, and participating in online communities. Conclusion. These are the basic steps involved in starting a YouTube channel. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.